How to add Shein items on cart. Hey guys, welcome to our channel and let's get started. For this, open up your preferred web browser and go to Shein's official website or open your Shein application on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, now you can explore the homepage, or if you have any particular item that you want to purchase from Shein, you can use this magnifying glass-like icon right here and search for your item. Or else you can explore the homepage and select the one that you want to add to cart. Now once you find the item, tap on it, and next tap on this cart plus icon just under the item that you want to select. Next, select your sizes, colors if given, and once done, tap on add to cart button. Now to view your items on cart, tap on this cart icon, and to check out, simply click on checkout button right here. That's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more great contents. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in next video.